Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing and first impressions of jewelry from the brands Italo jewelry. I have worked with them in the past. If you want to see the video that I made with them last, it'll be up here in the eye somewhere. Before I get into this video though, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and you have to click that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, and you want to join the fam because this is a great channel, right? Anyway, let's get into this video. So Italo jewelry was kind enough to send me some more jewelry for me to promote their Veterans Day sale, which is November 11th. I'm pretty sure it's going on starting right now whenever this is going to be uploaded. They're always having sales anyway. Their jewelry is such good quality that they shouldn't be selling it at a discount in my opinion. There is a discount there and it's gonna save you money. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the box that it comes in. It's in this exact same box that I got from the last time. The last video I did from them, they sent me this white sapphire engagement ring, is what it would be, but I honestly wear it as like a normal ring. I wear it all the time because it's just so bling and I love it. But this time I went a different route and I'm going to show you what I got. I'm so excited. First of all, this packaging is so pretty, it's so professional, and it makes it seem like I'm buying myself a present. It is perfect for, a present for anybody, to be honest. And because of the sale is happening like at a perfect time, right before the holidays, right before you have to do like the Christmas shopping last minute. Don't put it off until the last minute and start buying now and use this time to get your significant other or a really good friend, some nice jewelry products from Italo since they have the sale going on. In the box, it comes with these pamphlets. It talks about keeping your jewelry secure, how to care for your jewelry, polishing your jewelry, and all of that. It basically says to keep your jewelry secure, remove your jewelry before bathing, use jewelry polishing cloths for best results, clean your jewelry with care, use warm water to clean your jewelry, and avoid cleaning damaged jewelry because that'll damage it more. And it's just a very good card to keep in case you ever want to see and make sure that you do it correctly. This is just a little bit of info about their company. I'm going to go ahead and read it as well. We stand behind the quality and craftsmanship of our jewelry. Italo jewelry offers a 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects, which is amazing. And this is their frequently asked questions right here. It's all about the return exchange conditions and the limited coverage. Person is not eligible for, it tells you what is eligible for exchange or return and what is not, order cancellation, things like that. It's just a very good card to keep handy. And this is the certification card. Before I show you the actual jewelry that came in this box, I do want to tell you a little bit about Italo as a company. I did do this in my last video, but in case you haven't seen my last video, I do want to mention it a little bit in here. I'm going to read straight off the website. Italo jewelry was created by Italo, a talented craftsman and artist in Italy in 1967. Making jewelry was a dream of Italo, so he made a lot of effort to take every piece of his jewelry to make sure his customers would be satisfied with his work. Very soon, Italo jewelry became more and more popular in the local place. Italo jewelry keeps the value. Every moment should be remembered. Life is wonderful and we shouldn't always keep waiting for major milestones. This is what Italo jewelry's mission is. We promise all of our micro set sapphires are hand set and then inspected under a microscope by seasoned artisans who work within one of the 5 disciplines: pave settings, channel settings, prongs, bezel settings, or tension settings. I honestly have no idea what that means, and I probably should because I've become quite a jewelry connoisseur as of late, but I don't know what that means. Metals are alloyed to ensure enduring craftsmanship. Details are celebrated in the complicated beadwork, filigree, and engraving that set our pieces apart. That was pretty much about their company. I believe in their company, but because they have grown so much, they do ship from China, so if you do order from them, expect it to take a while. It does take a while to get to the States, especially if you're in the States, because it has to go through customs and all that. I'm going to take out the first box. I haven't opened these yet. This is the same box that my other ring came in, so it's pretty much the same for everything. Oh, this is the ring. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. So I wanted a rose gold ring and I think this is so pretty. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this ring is a rose gold double hidden halo cushion created champagne sapphire engagement ring. So it is made out of sapphire, but it is in a rose gold tone. I love how blingy it is. I don't know how else to explain this. I'm obsessed with this ring. I love the little sparklies on the side. All I know is that this is beautiful, and although it is not like a real diamond like a traditional engagement ring would be, I love this so much and it makes me feel super blingy, and I cannot wait to sport this out on the town because I go out so much, right? But it is so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. I honestly was a little worried that it would look too big because my hands are really small, but I think it looks really good. It's just really blingy, and I don't have a ring like this, and I'm just really excited to be able to sport this around, and I think it's really really worth the price, which the price right now is $139.35, original retail price of $249.95, but because they do have a sale going on, and by the way, you can use my code and it'll be right here, that can get you additional money off. The Veterans Day sale is 30% off of orders of $280 or more, 20% off of orders $180 or more, or 10% off any order. I think this is worth it. It is so pretty. It looks so pretty. Like, look at this in comparison to my engagement ring. I know they're completely different, but it is so pretty. So pretty. I'm obsessed with it. All right, let's open the other little box because I did get something else and I'm so excited for this as well. Again, it comes in this box and let's open it. These are earrings, and let me quickly take off my current earrings and put these on. I know that these don't really match, but I just really wanted a rose gold ring. I don't have one, so I figured it would be a good time. And I have a lot of rose gold jewelry, I just didn't have a ring. I would wear this even with regular gold or even silver. I don't care. It is like the modern day, everyone mixes and matches a bunch of jewelry tones and it doesn't really matter anymore, to be honest. Like, it really doesn't. Before I put the other one on, I want you to see it up close without me putting it on, and look at how blingy it is. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. So you can see that these are super blingy, and they actually, like, in comparison to my other studs, which I believe are cubic zirconia, I don't really know, or maybe that, no, because they're Swarovski. I got these in Switzerland. It's really big, and honestly I thought it would bother me with my second piercing there, but it doesn't. I really like them both together, but I could also just wear it on its own and it'll still look really good. These are 4-prong created white sapphire stud earrings. These are $88.15. That's on sale. The original retail price of $145.96, which I think is totally worth it. I'm pretty sure that's what I paid for the small one. I think they look super pretty on my ear. Let me tighten it a little bit more. It looks kind of like it's falling out. It's super pretty. I personally like the round. It matches with what's in my second hole, and that's usually what I wear on my ears when they're studs. I like wearing studs on a daily basis. These I feel like I could wear every day as a pretty casual jewelry to add to my casual clothing, or I could even dress them up if I'm going to somewhere fancy. And I don't know, they look good either way. I feel like I would wear these a lot. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these, and honestly this is something that I would have bought myself, but I am so thankful that Italo Jewelry is sponsoring this video and that they were kind enough to send over 2 more pieces of jewelry to me for me to unbox for you guys to promote their Veterans Day sale. Again, I highly recommend that you check them out. I did get a lot of comments in my other video about shipping speeds and how they had to cancel their order. Again, it's shipping from China. It takes a while to get over from China to anywhere in the world, really, because I'm pretty sure different countries have their own customs rules and laws and stuff, and they just have to abide by them. So it does take a long time for shipping, but it is worth it in the end, especially because you're paying for something that looks really high quality but isn't the price of a high quality item. This looks so real, and honestly if this was like a real diamond, I'd be paying $10,000 or more. So this is just like a great deal. I feel like they do really nice jewelry at a great price. My ears are very sensitive to metals, and I can already tell that they're gonna be fine. Usually when I put on an earring and I know I'm not gonna do well with it, I start itching in like the first few minutes of wearing it. My ears are very sensitive. I think that these pieces are super well made, they're super high quality, and they're super worth the price. I would pay that price. I'm probably gonna do some shopping on Italo Jewelry for my mom for Christmas. Like, honestly, my mom's birthday's coming up. I should have like bought something for her from there because this is super pretty and she would enjoy these. I think anyone would enjoy these. These would make such a great gift, and because they're doing the sale now, you can look ahead and do your holiday shopping early and take advantage of the sale, and you can use my code right here to get your discount. There is free worldwide shipping on anything you buy on Italo Jewelry, and there is also a 1-year warranty on anything you buy if you didn't purposely mess up the jewelry. Obviously, there's also a 30-day refund guarantee, so if you are not happy with your pieces, you can send them back, but shipping cost is on you. But anyway, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know which of these is your favorite. Which one do you like more? I think I'm super into this type of stone. This is super pretty. I think this is like super luxurious and fancy and blingy, right? I'm super into this, but I also love this. Like, I'm gonna get so much use out of this. I'm just so happy and grateful that they sent me this. But yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. You can subscribe right here, watch these videos if you've missed them, and you can go ahead and have a marathon. Just do it. You know you want to do it. Just continuously grab some popcorn and just like watch my videos, right? But anyway, I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.